get rid of Cusco.
15 puppies! How marvelous! How marvelous! How perfectly!
And the windows upstairs and down. Watch them. See that Lucifer gets his bath.
What a glittering assemblage, King Stefan. How quaint.
My dear, sweet child. That's what I do. Like yourself.
I'm not getting any younger down here.
You are not leaving this tower, ever!
Magic mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest one of all?
Someone has stolen my top! Did you steal them?
No, Your Majesty.
Did you?
No, Your Majesty.
Did you steal them?
No, Your Majesty.
Did you steal my dogs?
No, Your Majesty.
Squimberry juice.
I was so hungry! I didn't mean
Open
to.
his head!
Oh! Hello everybody! It's Xana Pea. Today we are gonna do a look inspired by the Red Queen, or Queen of Pots in Alice in Wonderland. This is a collaboration with other Filipino beauty YouTubers. Make sure to watch their videos too. Definitely click the thumbs up button to like this video, write any comments down below, and subscribe to my channel. Because if you don't, you know what's gonna happen.
Open his head! Off with his head! Off with the head! Off with the head! Off with the head! Dare you! Off with his head!
If you want to see how to transform from Xana Pea to the Queen of Hearts, then keep on watching this video.
Probably you can find 1,000 of Red Queen makeup tutorials online, so for this video, we're gonna focus on the hairstyle. Part your hair in the middle and also divide the front and back section of your hair. For this look, we are only gonna curl the front part of our hair to save effort and time. You can use any curling tools of your preference as long as you make some small, tight curls. Later on, I'm gonna use a 3/4 inch barrel, working my way up from the ear. I grabbed thin sections of hair and I curled them away from my face. Try to curl the hair as close to the roots as possible, like so. Just repeat this process until you finish the entire front section of your hair. My hair holds curls pretty well, but I know there are some types that's just a pain to curl. Do you have any secrets? Please share it and comment down below. Ta-da! All done! Now we'll leave this for a while and we'll start teasing the back section of our hair. Backcomb your hair layer by layer until you get your desired volume. Turning into Sadako in 3, 2, 1. Gather the top portion, smoothen out the top surface, and make a small puff. Secure it with bobby pins. It should look something like this, but I'm pretty sure you can do a better job. It's actually a little difficult to do everything by feeling and without a mirror. Excuses. Okay, moving on, divide the remaining hair into left and right. Lift it at the ear level and add small portions from the bottom part. Oh god. Continue braiding the rest of the hair and just secure that with an elastic. Do the same thing on the other side, Dutch braid and a regular braid all throughout. Let's go to the back, and I know my hair looks like a loofah, sorry you did not notice that. But basically we just need to overlap these two braids and just tuck the remaining braids in. Secure with lots of bobby pins. Now for the volumized heart-shaped hair in front, we're gonna use this bump it and this donut bun. No special reason for using different tools, that's just all I have, darling. Improvise, we gotta make it work. Grab a small section of your curly hair, wrap it around 2 of your fingers and make a small rose. Bring that up to cover your bump it and continue to do the same process, arranging the curls randomly, yet building a rose form. Secure everything with bobby pins and hairspray to keep it in place. And voila! This is our Red Queen hairstyle. But something is missing. Here it is. Our hair is done, let's move on to the simple makeup. Apply the white face paint using a wet sponge and dabbing motion. This technique minimizes patches and streaks given that you have a good quality of face paint. I was too excited to make my face all white that I forgot to remove my lipstick and my eyebrow. At this moment, I knew I was I had to redo the paint, but at least we know that it's very easy to remove. Oh yeah. I grabbed my ever-trusted Elmer's glue to conceal my eyebrows, waited for a few minutes to let it dry, and enjoyed the smoothness of my skin. And now it's white! Perfect! Set the face paint with baby powder. I look like a mold with plaster of Paris. Anyways, moving on, let's grab a blue face paint for our eyes. Align your brush with the outer edge of your nose to the inner eye and outer eye. My face paint is a darker blue, but somehow it mixed with a white base. Thank God it worked. Next, we're just gonna set that in place with a matte blue powder, then draw a slightly curved line as our eyebrow using eyeliner. Contour your cheeks using a light gray or ash brown powder, and bring the same color underneath your jaw to sharpen and emphasize your jawline. Of course, don't forget to contour your nose lightly, make it look thin and sharp. Next, we'll move on to the lips. Just get a dark red lip pencil and draw a heart shape on the center of your lips. Then fill that in with a hot red lipstick and lip brush for precision. I noticed that my lashes turned white, so I tight-lined and put mascara before putting on the eyelashes. I applied white eyeliner on my waterline before putting on my bottom lashes. And last but not the least, put the beauty mark on her left cheek.
That is interfering! Off with his head!
Are we done? This entire video took 3 hours to finish. It's too long. Who's the director? The makeup artist? The hairstylist? Off with the heads? Oh, that's me. Off with my head then.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Seryoso ka? Init!
Hold your tongue. It seems we have time on our hands.
To help a fortunate male folk. To help a fortunate male folk. Male folk. Ganon, but what's it?
Read of Cusco.
Secret bag. Ganun ang mukha niya. Pull the lever, clunk. Hilo ako, bigla.
Into mirror Rapunzel, I see a strong, confident, beautiful young lady. Oh look, you're here too! I'm just teasing. Oh dear.
Puppy